Hi guys, coming back. Byron is here. This little intro level soldier. It is a nice one and easy to use. You open this door, you open this one, you should be able to see your loopers. This is easy with this one. And that's an affordable soldier, a good quality, really strong. We're about to stitch regular cotton fabric with our pressure foot. And then we stitch it, and then we jump from that one to a stretchy fabric. Simple, just put the fabric on there, and then we just keep stitching on it. Oh, I'm gonna cut my thread because I have a thread cutter in there. That's a nice function. Look at it again, look at the thread cutter built on it. You cut your thread, you have your nice stitches top and bottom. I mean, you still have to play with tensions, but it's so precise. You don't have to worry about what's going to happen with tensions. But on the end, when you buy a Byron, you will get to know how to use it. Come over and see us on Mr. Saw Machine. And remember, Byron is a basic, good quality soldier to start with. Come over and see us, Mr. Saw Machine. Follow us social media, hashtag Mr. Saw Machine, MSM. See you here.